Hello student, 5th standard maths. Previous video I teach you condition of divisibility. Condition of divisibility. Hope all are beheaded conditions of divisibility. Yes or no? All are beheaded. Okay, now we learn there page number 90 exercise question number 1. Use the divisibility test to find if the number is divisible or not divisible. Put a tick mark if it is divisible. Okay, put a tick mark if it is divisible. First one, see. Here given numbers, here given divisible by. First one number given 390. 390 is divisible by 2. How do you recognize? See, one's number. There is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 number is there. That time that number is divisible by 2. Here is 0. So this is a divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Next one 3. 3 means if the sum of digit is completely divisible by 3. 9 plus 3. What to do here? 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 10, 11, 12. Here got you 12. 12 is in a 3's table. Yes. So 390 is a divisible by 3. 390 is a divisible by 3. Understand now how to come? See. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So this is a divisible by 3. Fourth one. If the last two one, what is the formula of divisible 4? Last two one is in a 4 table. Last two one is in 4 table. 90 is in a 4 table. See. 90 divided by 4. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. Here remainder is a 2. So 4 is a not divisible by. So you cross there. Now 5. 5 is divisible by 390. See one's number, last number, there is 0 and 5. That time that number is divisible by 5. Last one is a 0. So 390 is divisible by 5. Next one what? 6. 6. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, what is the formula of 6? If that number is divisible by 2 and 3, that time 6 is also divisible by that number. Divisible by that number. Okay. Next one 7. 7 is a divisible by 390. What is the formula is there? Take a 390. Take a last digits a number double and subtract the rest of the digit, or if the difference is divisible by 7. Understand? Here last number is 0. Okay, double there, 0 multiplied by 0, 0. Then subtract there 39 minus 0 is equal to 39. 39 is in a 7 table? No. So this is not able to the divisible by 7. So you cross there. 8 1. 8 1 means, see there, last 3 digit number is divisible by 8. See last 3 number, 390 divided by 8 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 8s are 64. And 6. This is a remainder is a 0. No. So 8 is a not a divisible by 8. Understand? So cross there. 9. 9 is a divisible by 390. What you do here? All these numbers plus 390. 9. 3 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 12. 12 is a 9 table? No. So this is not a divisible by 9. Tens, what is their tens? Last number ones have 0, that time that number is a divisible by 10. So 390 is a divisible by 10. Next one 11. Next one 11. See, 11's what formula is there? 11's what formula we used there? 1 by 1 number add there and subtract their number. Subtract their number. The numbers divisible by 11 means if the difference of the sum of alternative digit is 0 or 11. 0 or 11. See. 3 plus 0, 9. 3 and 9. 9 minus 3. You got here 6. We want here 0 ya 11 table. We want here 0 ya 11. So 390 is not there divisible by 11. 12. If the number divisible by 3 and 4, 3 and 4 both are divisible by that number, that time 12 also they are divisible by that number. But see here, 3 is a divisible by 390, but 4 is a not there divisible by. So 12 is a not there. And 15, a given number is a 3 and 5 both divisible by that time. 15 is also divisible by that number. Understand? 15 also divisible by that number. All of you understand now how to do? Next one. See, last one number is a 6. So divisible by 2. 3, what you do? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is in 3 table. So this is a divisible by 2. 4. See the last two number. Last two number in a 4. So 22,716 is a divisible by 4. 5. See last number have 0 or 5. No, there is a 6. So 22,716 is a not a divisible by 5. Next one. 6. 2 and 3 both divisible by that time. 6 is also divisible by that number. Divisible by that number. Last one. 16 2s are 12. 12. Last numbers do a square and 22,071 minus 12. minus 12. Okay, 1 11 here 6. 11 minus 2 9. 6 minus 1 5. Now also give the double, do the double this one, 18. 18 then 225 minus 18. 15 minus 8. 7 1 0. 207. 14 minus 6. 6 is in a 7 table, no, so 22,716 is not divisible by 7. 8, see last three numbers is in a 8 table, 716 not, so cross there. 9 plus there, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 11, 12, 12 plus 6 18, so 18 is a 9 table, so 22,716 is a divisible by 9. Last number, see, there is 0, no, so 10 is not a divisible by 10. 11 also, see, sum of the alternative numbers and their difference. 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 minus 3 12, so this is not a divisible by 11. 12, 3 and 4 both divisible, that time 12 is a divisible by that number. Next one, 15 is given, 5 and 3 both divisible, that time that also divisible by 15, but here 3 is a divisible but 5 is a not divisible, so 15 is also not divisible. Understand now all of you how to recognize? 2151 divisible by 2, no. 3, yes. 4th, no. 5th, no. 6th, no. 7th, no. 8th, no. 9th, yes. 10th, no. 11th, no. 12th, no. 15th, no. 696, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, yes. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12, yes. 15, no. 1215. 2, no. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7th, no. 8th, no. 9th, yes. 10th, no. 11th, no. 12th, no. 15th, yes. F1, 2, no. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9 also no. Now 10 also no. 11 also no. 12 also no. 15 also no. Understand? Next one also same. Next one also same. See here. G1 45,024. 2 is a divisible by that number. See last number have 2. So 45,024 is a divisible by 2. Next one 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 2 10 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 is in 3 table na. So 3 is divisible by that number. 4. Last two number is in a 4 table. 24. 4 6 are 24. So 4 is also divisible by that number. Last one have ones have 0 and 5 here. No. So 5 is not divisible. 6. 2 and 3 both are divisible. So this is a correct. 7 is divisible by that number C. 7 is divisible by that number C. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 4 2s are last numbers double there minus 12 minus 8. How many is there? 12 minus 8 4. Here also 9. Here 4 4494. Here now 8. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 2. 11 3. 11 minus 2 9. 3 4 minus 18. 1 2 4 2. 11 1. 11 minus 2 9 1 4. 18 104 minus 2 9 9 3. 18 1 8 3. 381. 381 minus 2. 379 divided by 7. This is divisible by, okay, this is divisible by 7. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? Now 8. 8 is divisible by 3. That number, last two number, 3 numbers, 24. 0 24 means 24. 8 3s are 24. So this is, that number is divisible by 8. 9 plus their all number, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 is in a 9 table? No. So that number is not divisible by 9. 10 is also no, because of ones have 4. There won't ones have 0. 11 is that numbers divisible. 4 plus 0 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 8 minus 7 1. So 11 also not there, divisible by that number. 12 4 and 3. 5 and 3 no. So understand all of you? H1 2 is also, 3 is also, 4 is not there, 5th is not divisible by, 6th is divisible by, 7th is not, 8 is not, 9 is correct, 10 is not there, 11 also not there, 12 also not there, 15 also not there. 2 is there, 3 is not there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7th also not there, 8th also not there, 9th also not there, 11th also not. Understand how to do? J to N is your homework. J to N is your homework. All of you understand now how to do? Now, prime factorization. Prime factorization. See how to do prime factorization. First one, we learn here prime number. First one, we learn here prime. Prime number means what? All of you know prime numbers. Prime number means what? A natural number. A natural number. Natural numbers means their factor is there only that number and 1 is there. Okay, that number and 1 is there. Prime number means what? There is a natural number. There is a natural number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The number itself. Okay. For example, 2. 2 have two factors. 2 ones are 2, 1 2s are 2. 3. 1 3s are 3. 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 7. 7 ones are 7. Then 11. 11 ones are 11. Understand? When you divided there that number, that time, that number is a remainder is also you want there 0. Okay. This is you call that numbers prime number. And composite number. Composite numbers means what? Composite numbers means is a natural number that has more than two factors. For example, 4. 4 have 1, 2, 4 factor. This 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 factor is there. 6 has also 1, 2, 6, 3. We call that composite numbers. Okay. But see, important notes is there. 1 1. This number is not a prime or composite number. Means 1 is a neither prime nor a composite number. 1 is a neither prime nor a composite number. Next one. 2 is only first even prime number. Prime number. Okay. Next one. 2 consecutive odd primes which differ to are called twins. Means write in the bracket 3 5 5 7. Means you want here 7 11. Okay, 11 13. Means here come 2 with odd numbers. You call that number twins prime. and two numbers have only one is a common factor. Two number have only one is a common factor. You call that number co-prime number. Call that number co-prime number. Understand? Prime number means what? A natural number that has only two factors. One is and that number itself. And composite number means their factors is more than the two. All of you understand now how to where the prime number and composite number. Last year also I teach you. Now exercise. Question number 1. Answer this question. First one you write the topic name. Then write page number 91. First one question. Answer this question. List the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Here write question. Here write sub question A. Here write sub question A. Here write question. Here write sub question A. Then write answer. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 14 have also 2. 15 have also. 15 is coming to the 3 table also, so not there. Then 16, 17, 18 also have 2, 3 factors. Then 19 have also 2 factors. Then 20, 21 also coming. 22, 23 is in any tables have? No. So 23 is a prime number. 23, 24 also coming, 25 also coming, 26 also coming, 27 also coming in table, 28 also coming, 29 coming in any table? No, only one and that number itself, na? So 29. 30 is also coming, 31 have only 2 factors, that number and 1. Then 32 also coming in table, 33 also coming in table, 33, 11 table, 34 also coming, 35 also coming, 36 also coming, 37 not coming, so 37 not a divisible by any number, na? Then 40, 38, 39, 40 that also coming. 41 is not there in coming in table. 42 also coming. 43, then 47, then 53, then 59, 67, 71, 79, 83, 89, 97. That also you bited, this one also you bited because of 1 to 100. How to do? All these numbers, you see there, this is a factor of factor, no? So you bihad this one, okay? Simple way, you bihad this one. B1, question right here. What are the co-prime numbers? What are the co-prime numbers? Means what? Answer. Any two numbers any two numbers that have only one as a common factor, one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Okay. C1. What is the primes? What is the primes? Twins are primes. Two consecutive odd primes which differ by 2 called a twin prime. Next one, which is the only even prime number? D1's answer, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. Okay. And which number is a neither prime nor composite? Which number? Even's answer you write on your notebook. Even question write, then answer write. 1 is a neither prime or nor composite number. All of you understand now how to write? Okay. Today's homework, page number 90, 91 completed there. Next one, prime factorization, I teach next video. But condition of divisibility you beheaded there. Okay. If you beheaded that time, this chapter you recognize. If you don't beheaded that conditions, if you don't recognize, you don't learn this topic. Okay. You don't understand this topic. So please, condition of divisibility you beheaded, then the solve exercise. Okay. Thank you.